Welcome to this video which focuses on looking at internet data passing through proxy servers. My name is Darren Delaney, I'm Head of Technical Services here at Netfort. So maybe you're looking for a solution that allows you to troubleshoot excessive bandwidth usage on your internet connection. Maybe you want a graph like this here, maybe even drill down and understand what's causing a peak like this. Maybe you got problems on your WAN connection, you want to drill down to get detail like usernames, what clients they're logging on to, what proxy server they're using, what sites they're accessing, and how much data or how much bandwidth they're consuming. Or maybe you want to take a further look and drill down and get further detail. Like here we've users accessing rapidshare.com and looks like here they're downloading some, looks like a film. You also got the timestamp here. So on a typical network, we got our users logged onto their devices, connecting into switches here. Now, typically the way it works is their browsers are configured to use the proxy server, so their requests get directed through the network to the proxy server. Proxy server takes the request, contacts the website, and data is served back to the user. So how hard can it be to get visibility of what users are accessing on the internet in this case? One option that you might think of is to enable flow. In this case, a Cisco switch, so we set up NetFlow. So what will that give us? Well, on the client side here, we get something like this. We've got the IP address of the client, we've got the proxy server, and how much data they've uploaded and downloaded. Okay, well that starts to point towards a problem here, but I don't have any details. So the problem with the NetFlow is I cannot drill down to understand what websites the user was accessing. So we might say, okay, well let's monitor things over on the proxy side. Problem over here is the proxy is connecting to the website and we have lots of data downloaded and being uploaded, but I've lost the client IP and even no username in here either. So what can I do in this case? Well, one solution is to go to our website www.netfort.com, where you can download the free trial of the Lan Guardian software. Get yourself a server, got to have a minimum of 2 network cards. And this server here is ideal, it's got 4. You can also install as a virtual appliance. Instructions are on the website, again www.netfort.com. And the install guide is available online as well on our website, or just Google install Lan Guardian, you'll find it there. So you install your system. You plug the Lan Guardian, you need 2 connections. In this case, I'll plug both into the core switch. The blue one here is management. It doesn't really matter where that goes, that's given an IP address. The green port here, this is an important one. You set up a span port or port mirroring. And in this case, we might only want to monitor the proxy server port, so we see traffic going to and from the proxy server. This is a non-intrusive way of monitoring your network, so no software installed on your clients, no inline devices, nothing here trying to slow down your internet connection. It's completely passive, it's out of band, no impact on your network. So what sort of detail could you get from a Lan Guardian? Well, you get the full picture. You've got the username, the source IP, the proxy server in use, what website was accessed, how much data was uploaded and downloaded. And we can even drill down to the total and get further detail. But it does now allow me to troubleshoot the bandwidth problem. Bill here, he's responsible for this big download and he's logged on to this client. So we've both sides of the picture here, both from the user side and also on the server side. So now let's take a look at a Lan Guardian in operation. So I'm now logged on to my Lan Guardian. I set up my span port. So first thing I'm going to do here is log on. I'm going to go to dashboard. And I'm focusing here on my internet activity dashboard. So I've got my graph here, which is plotting total internet traffic here on my network. I can click on the peak here and then start to drill down and find out what has caused this peak. So drill down in here into the traffic total. Let's get usernames as well. So who is responsible here for 300 megabytes of traffic? It's Sean. Let's go back to the dashboard again. And let's take a look at some of the proxy activity. So here's an interesting one here. We have the top proxy user. So Bill here is probably 10 times the amount of data than anybody else over the last 24 hours. Let's see what's happened here. So let's drill down. So we can see here immediately now he's been on megupload.com. So on the client side, you get Bill connected to the proxy server. And from the other side, you've got the proxy server connecting to the site, but we also have got Bill here in the same entry. So we've got all the information. Bill connected to proxy, went to the website and downloaded a gig of data. Let's go back to the dashboard again. The other one I want to show you here is the other level of detail we can get. So we've somebody on the Pirate Bay website. Let's drill down on that. See what's been happening. Let's get usernames. A bunch of users here on the piratebay.org. Let's drill down on the hits. And we can see here that it looks like it's a film they're trying to download. Cars 2 torrent file. So we've also got the username here and the date and time they access this page. So from a single dashboard here now, I can keep an eye on what internet activity, both from the client side, what sites are connected to, and also from bandwidth consumption, how much data is being consumed on my internet pipe, and drill down and find out who's responsible for that. So that's it for a very quick demo here. If you want to get this up and running on your own network, please go to our website, www.network.com, where you can download a free trial today.